Adolescence is, your breasts are gonna, no, that's a weird thing. God, this is so hard. All right. God, all right. Boys, sometimes during the adolescent stage, your voice, sometimes it does funny things. Like when you're talking, it goes high pitched. If you would like to, this is the time where you have children of change drastically. You might change from your body might change drastically. You might change to have more shapes. No, a lot of things will start to change. Yeah, fuck me. Maybe here and maybe even other places. Okay. Menstrual cycle, bigger breasts, curvier, whitier. The boys section was a lot easier. So you're evolving. You're moving from a caterpillar to a cocoon. What they're doing is just getting your bodies ready to make more people. Sometimes we get sad for no reason, but you're gonna be growing hair in places that we don't like to talk about. Boys, fucking hell. Boys, no. To make more people. And for girls, this means that your hips are going to be getting bigger so you can hold babies. How do I say this without being weird? Guys, you're going to notice some changes too. Your shoulders might be getting bigger. We're starting to get a little bit bigger. Might go, no. For no reason at all. You might notice that your body is changing as well. God damn it. Fuck me. Ovaries, eggs. Growing hair in places that might scare you a little bit. You might be growing, God damn it. Your fucking hands. This is a very important time in your guys' lives. It's the time where you learn to use your body as a tool. You're no longer in your parents' house. Girls, you will start growing breasts. And that is all normal and part of the human developmental cycle.